doing today? How is y'all doing today? Because it took me a hot minute to get out of bed. I don't know why. I don't. Maybe it's because it's a Monday and it feels like it's a Friday. Um, because Rob is off tomorrow and New Year's Day, so can't be excited that he's gone. Anywho, um, I have a lot to do. My bed's not made. Stuff on the floor. So we're gonna clean the master. We're gonna clean the master because it's a hot mess, and I'm gonna go work out first because that comes first. And yeah, so let's go work out, and then we'll come back and clean this hot mess before Rob's get home. Before Rob get home and get all cranky on me, because yeah, that wouldn't be nice. But good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is where you are, that's what it is. Anyways, let's get moving. Look at my skin, guys. Yeah, it's really bad. No matter what I do, no matter what I use, they still come back. I don't know why. Whatever. Rob's home. It's outside. I'm supposed to be starting dinner, but I don't feel like it. Ugh. Rob is de-stressing from the day, and I managed to took all the wreaths off the front door. Yeah, I took the wreath off, the Christmas wreath off the front door, put up a winter wreath, and I took the wreaths off of our front windows in the front, and I cleaned the windows with Windex because they were really dusty. So I'm gonna go And then I took the Christmas stuff off of this tier tray right here. Took all the Christmas stuff off of it. I think I'm just gonna leave it simple for now, because right now I just feel like everything is cluttered and dusty. So that's what I'm doing, is working on every single surface, slow at a, you know, at a slow pace, because I don't want to overwhelm myself, because it's a lot of Christmas stuff that needs to be put away. So I'm gonna go slow. But first I need to get my family's dinner going, so I'm gonna go do that.
Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy about you, crazy about you. I know I'm upset sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tense. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Johnny, can I live it up with you?
Rob's cooking dinner. I cleaned the floors and I got rid of some of the Christmas stuff. There's too much copyright music going right now. But this bad boy is gonna stay up for a little bit longer because I'm just not ready to tackle the beast. So it's gonna stay up for a little bit, and maybe by the weekend I'll work on the handrail going up the stairs, and then on this section. But yeah, I have to finish the other section of the kitchen floor, because our kitchen is huge. The floor area, it's like massive for no reason. So I have to work on that, and it's exhausting taking down Christmas decorations. What's up? Hi, how are you? How are you? What are you doing? Is it just me, or does your stairs get stuff piled up on it as well as mine? Because every single day there's stuff piled up on the stairs and nobody knows who's putting it there. Right, man? Yeah? How you doing today? Good. What you been up to? Nothing. Did you play Barbie today? Yeah? Oh, I love you. I can't wait for y'all to go back to school so you guys can get off the technology. Like, look at y'all being sucked into a screen. Right, Jaxson?
I want to go back to school.
Look, he can't even look out for the camera.
I did. See?
Being sucked into the screen.
No,
Hi, Jack.
Hi.
How are you, sir?
Good.
Good? Look. Look at it. Look, you can't even focus. This is what's wrong with society.
I'm focusing.
Oh, hi, Princess. Hi, my normal girl.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
Good. What are you doing today?
Watching
What are you watching?
Serial 74 events.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we used to watch.
Did you take out Juju? Did you get taken out today? Huh? Did you get taken out today? Yes? So I'm going to finish the kitchen floor. I'm going to finish this section. Get out the refrigerator. out the refrigerator. So I'm getting ready to close out the vlog, and I can't believe that we are at the end of, turn that down. We are at the end of another year. 2019 has come. It's practically out of here. Tomorrow will be New Year's Eve, and then on Wednesday will be a brand new year. I hope every single one of you have an amazing new year and reflect back on 2019. Set goals where you want to see yourself, where you want to see your family, your business, whatever it is. Set goals and just claim it. You know, 2019, 2020 can be your year. You can let it just be inspired to do better 2020. Even if you don't achieve all your goals in 2020, still set them and still strive for them, not just a couple weeks in, but at all times. Anyways, I'm gonna go because I have to edit and then finish up and then get dinner to these kids. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a happy, safe new year. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you guys next year. Bye guys.